This is Amy Chan from cakedecorating-school.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in the products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be talking about Russian tips for tulips. Most of these tips and most of the brands available don't actually have numbers, so you'll have to look at the images to find the kinds of openings that you want. And there's actually a bunch of great sets available that'll give you a nice variety of the various types of openings that'll give you different effects and different beautiful, lovely kinds of tulips. If you're still working on your piping skills and you're not quite there with the flower nail yet, they're a great way to pipe buttercream flowers that look like they're done by hand, but are actually really, really simple. Anytime you pipe with these, you want to have the tip up off the surface a little bit so that the frosting can balloon out nicely and stick, and then you want to pull up as you're still piping. And you see that gives you a nice, beautiful effect. A few wrinkles at the bottom, not a problem. As you pipe more and fill in with some leaves, you'll cover up those little bumps. So I'm just going to keep going. Until I fill up my cupcake. And as you work, you'll get a good idea of the speed and pressure you should use, right? And that gives you a beautiful effect on top of your cupcake. You can easily go in with a leaf tip and pipe a few leaves just to finish it off. Fill in any gaps and give yourself a nice little effect. Adding a few leaves also adds a nice bright pop of contrasting color and will help make your tulips more stable. I'll set that little one off to the side and I'll pull over one of my foam rounds and I'll do a few more colors so you can see some different openings, right? So a nice, slow, steady rate will give you a great effect. And every once in a while, you'll notice if you start to pull up too quickly and you're not holding straight up and down. I got one that only attached halfway, but because these are so varied and beautiful, usually I just keep going and I don't even worry about knocking that off. Once you have a bunch of these on top of a cake, it doesn't really damage or interfere with the overall effect. And if you go in a few different colors, you'll get a lot of nice variety. The key with these is, for the most part, making sure that frosting attaches to whatever you're piping on. And you can achieve a variety of effects by striping your bags. So mixing up the colors that you load in will give you a nice, beautiful, variegated look to your tulips. It'll help them look more natural. It's also an easy one to cascade over the side. So you can go ahead and make some beautiful arrangements. Nice and easy. easy to fill in with leaves, easy to look really natural, and easy to give a beautiful finish. You can even go over top the entire cake. Adding leaves quickly adds a little extra stability and helps your individual tulips stand out. And adding various colors can help make your arrangements look more natural and more varied. Using a variety of tips will also give you a variety of effects, creating a little bit more natural variation in your designs. And you can go bright, fun, and festive, and psychedelic colors, or you can go pastel and subtle. That's all up to you. But they're an easy way to create variety on cakes, especially if you're a beginner. They're fun to try out, and they're an easy, cost-effective buy. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about the equipment and materials we use for decorating cakes, or just for some inspirational videos on cake decorating itself, you can check us out on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to sign up to learn and you're interested in our yearly membership, you can visit us at www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you're interested in any of these products, check out the links in the description.